We got a 2021 392 Charger. Came through, we switched it up a bit. A lot of customers, they just get a classic Muffy D, they delete the rear mufflers. In this case, we took off the mid mufflers and replaced it with Flowmaster Outlaws. Let's check it out. These are the old mufflers right there on the floor. Jay, check that out. What we did over here was we just took out the mid mufflers right there and we replaced them with these Flowmaster Outlaws. It will give it a bit of a different noise than just a typical mufflers lead, mid mufflers lead. But I want you guys to decide. So let me know in the comments below. All right. Oh, and check out these tips. 5-inch black double wall, matte black tips. These things go hard, and the customer wanted to stick them out a bit. It looks good, and that could go with basically any diffuser too. Looks really sharp. All right, I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Let me know.